All right, we just arrived at our new campground and we're getting ready to set up. All we've done so far is put the jacks out because we wanted to show you something very important that you need to do whenever you are setting up at a new campground. Now, there's a lot of people out there that think you shouldn't have to cover your tires at all because, hey, you're driving down the road, your tires are exposed to the elements. So what difference does it make when you're setting at the campground? Well, I used to feel the same way, but after doing some research and talking to some people, I understand why you should cover them here, because they're not moving, they're sitting still, and they will dry rot or crack a lot quicker than they would be going down the road because they're not being exercised, so to speak. So how do you cover them up? Well, there's a lot of ways, and we're going to show you a couple right now. Cutting in here, there's the typical big white vinyl cover that people put over their tires. Doesn't look very attractive, and frankly it's kind of a cumbersome effort to get on. Another way is people actually will just put covers and snaps over the entire wheel well and cover the tire that way. Now that works, but I don't really like having the snaps out there, and it kind of detracts from the look of the RV to me. And so when we were at the Tiffin Rally in Sarasota, Florida, early this year in 2020, I almost said early last year, we came across something that looks great, is easy to install, and takes care of the issue of having your tires exposed to the sun. And that is, well, this guy right here, the Easy Fold Tire Shade. There we go. The Easy Fold Tire Shade from MagneShade. Now this has 4 covers in it, so it'll cover all 4 wheels. What? Doesn't your RV have 6? Yes, but the ones on the inside, they're already covered, so we don't need to worry about those. So we're going to cover the 4 that are exposed to the outside, and we're going to show you in real time just how quick and easy it is to install these. So let's go. Here's the bag. I'm going to do this as slowly as possible. I will set the bag down. If you have one of those windshield covers for your car, this works the same way. Boom. You've got this nice bungee cord, and all you do and pull the cord down on both sides, and that's it. Let's go do another one. All right, front one again, pop out. Now one thing we did do on the white here is we wrote our name and phone number on the inside cover. So if these walked away or somehow got away, at least people know how to get a hold of us. And it goes all the way around the tire. Halfway done. Almost done. So that's it. It's just that easy. Taking them off, well, just pull them right off. Here. That's how easy it is to take them off. You fold them up and put them right back in the back. So there, you get a bonus reinstall. So that's it. Highly recommend these tire covers. They work great. They're easy to install. Plus, just come in this little bag, so it makes it, easy to transport. Doesn't take up a lot of room in your basement or wherever you want to carry these. And MagneShade makes a lot of other great products. This is the only one we have so far, but we are working on getting up to Knoxville, North Carolina to get the front windshield cover installed, because in the summertime, the front windshield in a Class A motorhome makes the RV an oven. We want to fix that before summer comes along again. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you at our next adventure. Bye.